Hey guys, today we are going to take apart this NutriBullet 900 series Magic Bullet blender today. Now this is going to be on GoPro, not my phone obviously. And it has got a 900 watt motor in it. This is actually the exact same blender I have taken apart before at Urban Miners, which you might have seen on one of my episodes recently. So, let's get this thing apart. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, today we're going to be tearing apart this NutriBullet 900 series Magic Bullet blender. Now we're going to use whatever we can in order to get this thing apart, because I know this is going to be a very tough one. And we can already see that these parts right here are actually coming off already, just by grabbing them. Now, I'm not too sure how this thing comes apart. All I know is that I've done a few of these in my videos before, but yeah, screw there, and screw there. There, and there, and there, and I don't know what's under here. That's the problem. No screws under there at all, nothing. No, it is not. But they come off anyway, so we just, I don't know, just leave them on there or something. I don't even know. All I'm after is the motor inside, so yeah. Well, oh, that's a screwdriver up there. I'm not sure if that's gonna do, but I should be able to manage it. This is almost like Urban Miners at home, which I'm planning on doing another series related to Urban Miners themselves, which I think would actually be a pretty good possibility to do. Actually, I'm not too sure, but I will have to think on that. And that massive click you can hear right under the screw is actually the seal. So if you listen to this one, big crack, like that. And also when someone leaves the screw in after taking it out, there will be no big crack at all. This is what it looks like under here, the motor. Big crack again. Now I'm not taking this apart just to fiddle around with it. I'm actually going to take the motor out. So yeah, it's quite interesting actually taking these things apart. It's very interesting. And the connections you got under here. No. Okay. Under here, you want to see the connections? Let's have a look. Just like that. You got your connections right there. You got red, you got your red there, you got your blue there, you got your black as your live, and brown is your live as well. So brown there and black there. Pretty sure you guys saw that. I'm pretty sure you did. Now, I'm not sure if this motor works, but I will test it on a battery, because this is actually universal motor, so it can run on either DC or AC power. but if you're going to run it on a battery, then it will run at a very low RPM. It won't go like full power, like I don't know, 8,000 RPM, because I think these things actually spin at. But yeah, also that's the base there. You got your motor cover. This has a 900 watt motor in it, so that's quite a lot of power for these things too. That must be aluminium. Must be anyway. How did I take this apart again? I can't remember how I'd taken this thing apart. I can't remember. Literally, I cannot remember. But we're gonna find out either way. But you have to get in between there
and undo it that way. These screws have very fat threads on them too. Very fat threads.
As you'll see right there, very fat ones too, so they're not exactly that good of a quality of yeah. We definitely know that's plastic. And that used to slide into here. I'll show you. You slide into there like that. Slides in like that. Example right there. It's what it actually used to look like. But now it's like this. And to me, it seems like the motor is actually in pretty good condition too. And let's just say if it does need new carbon brushes, then I will get some for it. I will get some new brushes if it ever needs it. That's your red coming in, and you got your black. Where? I believe that's it. Yes, that is your black right there as well. One. I do have a battery around somewhere as well. There we go. You get your battery. That's got right, and you test it. That's exactly how it's supposed to run. At least you know that it is functioning. So I don't know why they threw this out to the lion's shed. I really don't know why they did that, but Listen, Lion Shed, why did you throw this thing out when it's in fully working condition? That's see-through plastic? What? That's cool. Why didn't I ever think of that before? Look, it used to be like that. But now, it's like that. Bye. Oh. That runs a bit more smoother now. That runs so much more smoother. That's unbelievable. Well, let's get this thing out of the vise and unscrew it. You guys might have thought I was a little bit crazy today with the motor, but yes, I was a little bit crazy with the motor, but that's just how it was. And no soldering iron needed at all. Put this with my motor collection. Hey, working motor out of a broken Magic Bullet blender or NutriBullet. Would you look at that? Right. That saves a little bit of my time. Hey Dennis. NutriBullet 900 series. Blender now taken apart. That's a little hectic. That was so hectic. And there goes a piece. Let's get down there and pick it up. It's plastic, so recycling can go in there. Let's go.